Edge chassis. He is 2010 track champion at Speedway, soon to be the 2014 track champion. Chuck Puckett Farm, Precious Total Salon. 11 wins on the season. The 6th of Chuck Puckett. Starting third will be the 7X of old man Tommy Swain out of Elkin, North Carolina. Wade Swain, the crew chief, will be three-time champion. Got 1 win on the season.
Where's number 20 and
27?
Button
Bakery, Sue Steaks, and Seafood on the 7X of Tommy Swain.
And 20, Teal and 20's gone.
Ronnie Mears Jr. driving for Travis Flip in a Statler chassis, 1 win of the season. Out of Mount Airy, Tanner Mears, the crew chief on the 8th of Ronnie Mears Jr. Then of Rick Goss out of Charlotte, North Carolina, a Pace chassis, Adam Performance Race Engine. GRP is the crew chief on the 9R of Rick Goss.
Oh, that's
42 of Tim Nye out of Mooresville, North Carolina. Buffalo, New York, the DC Fabrication, Joy of Seating, Kenny's Components, Sniper chassis. Got over 500 career go-kart wins from the 42 of Tim Nye.
Start on them.
All right, here we go, race fans. It don't take long to get it done. 20 laps finish.
What happened?
Superstar 4, get on stage. You're coming up next. Superstar 4, get on stage. You're coming up next.
That guy, he went way ahead of Chuck, didn't he? Toby went way ahead of Chuck. Way to watch, Chuck.
Okay, that was a bad start there. We're coming back, so they got to watch the flagman coming off of turn 4. They have to be side by side, race fans.
That's right. I thought so. I was like, what happened?
Starts it.
Chuck ain't up there now.
I'm going green.
He still wasn't up there.
He's all the way up to second. He's over the lead. He's coming on the floor. Adams trying to hold him off at 27.
He still didn't get the right start. He got a bad start. Yep.
Got 2 cars hanging off the third board.
Thank you, Rick. Rick goes, boy. Rick done it.
Looked like he fired back up, took back off after the caution came
Rick,
out.
chill out a little bit, buddy.
That's the 42
That's why I don't want Rick driving up here. I sworn him. I don't care if it's on video. That's why I don't want him driving up here.
Adams.
Rick, you need to chill out, buddy.
That's the second in. Goss.
I don't care if it's on video.
He's still third.
The 6th of Chuck
You don't do that to your buddy, Rick. Come on.
Here's the 8th of Mears.
You don't do that to your friend. He's locked it.
Looks like 2 laps complete. 2 complete with 18 to go. Superstar 4 is coming up next. Renegade drivers, you are 4th. Renegades, you're right to
You don't do
Superstar 4.
that to your friends. That way. You don't hit them.
Puckett stopped in turn 4 in the 6th ride. He's back underway. I think he goes back into the 3rd spot.
He should go back in the 2nd spot. Oh, he's 10. It looked like his front wheel was not.
Toby Adams trying to be our 5th winner of the season, race fans. Chuck Puckett has stunk it up all season long.
Rick, you don't do that to a friend, buddy. You go back home. You won't do like that. We don't race that way at Rolling Thunder.
11 on the season. He is up to 3rd. So keep an eye on that 6th of Chuck Puckett with that Yamaha race engine.
There was no use and no sense in that. It was down the post.
Toby also running a Yamaha in that machine. It's a 600.
No sense in that.
They have to weigh 775 pounds after the race with the driver. And we're on
No sense in it, Rick.
Chuck Puckett's going to look on the outside of Rick Goss. He settles back in behind Goss for second spot. with the 9 car. Rick Goff spins in 3, bringing out the caution.
Rick, I tell you what, I'm gonna fight. I'll be down there on
6 laps complete. 6 laps complete with 14
There
laps
ain't
to
no
go.
sense in him
Tim
doing
Knight
like
also had
that.
problems in the middle of the